What's up, Wanderers? It is day 2, the suspension overhaul on the Tacoma. If you saw the last video, we did the leaf spring swaps to the All-Pro off-road leaf springs. That same day, we did the coilover swap in the front. So now today, we are doing the Archive Garage relocation in the rear with the 12-inch Smoothie shocks by Locked Off-Road. So let's hop on over to Supreme Fab Works and get that done. Alright, first things first, we're gonna get these old King shocks out of the Tacoma. And we also added some extended brake lines to the truck because we were going to be extending the rear shocks. So we got straight to cutting out the old mounts, which this is a quick process of the whole thing, but it definitely took a few hours to get there. So we moved on to installing the Archive Garage mounts over at Supreme Fab Works. If you guys are local to Northern California, this is a new shop in the area just outside of Sacramento. So be sure to go check out Supreme Fab Works and their great work. I love Archive Garage's kit for having the gray and black scheme kind of going, which is kind of the theme that we have going on the Tacoma. So got those all bolted in, the new locked shocks in, and man, this thing looks incredible. So let's go flex her out and see what it's got. All right, well, we've got 2 full trips on the locked suspension here, and rear. And man, let me tell you, these things, let's focus on me there. This has been a great setup. So if you've been following us for a while, you know that we've ran Kings on our truck from day 1. And it was time for a switch up. We were starting to not get so happy with the Kings. They were running out of juice a little bit here and there, and yeah, we had one last run on them. And when we threw this lock suspension on the truck, it just truly changed everything. We can literally drive like 30-35 over a speed bump, and it just feels like a cloud. So super stoked on the lock suspension and excited to see where this new suspension takes us in the future. Let us know in the comments, where should we take the truck next. Hopefully you guys like that video, and hopefully you check out Supreme Fab Works. They've been amazing. Check out lock suspension, and yeah, all the other goodies. We'll have our link in the description below. So stay tuned, and until next time, we'll be wandering.